There's a chicken scratching on the ground.
There's a chicken scratching all around,
Strutting in her chicken way all day. She's looking for her little chicks.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
She wants to teach them how to walk and to squawk. It's how you do the chicken walk.
it's how you do the chicken's walk.
You all around. It's how you do the chicken walk.
It's how you do the chicken's walk.
You all around. Now she's found her little chicks,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
and they know how to walk and to squawk. It's how you do the chicken walk.
It's how you do the chicken's walk.
You all around. It's how you do the chicken walk.